What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create recurring or how to automate recurring tasks or repeating tasks on your Monday boards. So here, as you can see, I'm on my Monday account, my main board. I go to a workspace that you want, let's say my main workspace, and in the test board right here. And in the board that you want to create the task in, go here to, you can find the automate option, go to automate, and then add a custom automation. You can go and view the automations that are available. However, if you want to create one from scratch, go ahead and add a custom automation. So let's say I want to create a task to remind me each month to renew my Netflix subscription. So when this happens, so this is the trigger. Let's say every time period. Of course, you can set it for any type of notification or any type of task. So for time period, click on it again. Let's say monthly at the beginning of the month or in the first day. Then do this, notify me, the someone, click on someone, that's me, or you can notify a team member or subscriber or team or a guest. So let's say me. And renew Netflix subscription. Okay, looking good. And now I'll need to create the automation. And now the automation is now created. I can of course turn it on and off, or if I want, I can edit it, I can duplicate it or delete it or save it.